Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Vauxhall Vivaro. This one is a short wheelbase 6-door medium van and it is absolutely brand new. This has just 6 miles on the clock. I can count that with my fingers. Now this does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice assist, 6-speed manual transmission, diesel fuel type, air conditioning, parking sensors and radio. And I will just show you the load area in the back of this vehicle as well. As you can see, it is ply line, lovely and neat and clean within here. Cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to. Interior lit, just there for you as well. And if you would like to find out more about this specific van, then please do feel free to check out our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or head down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can find out more about this specific van or many others as well.